Okay, good night, tutor and classmates. My name is Angela Garcia. Today I'm going to talk about planning my trip. My trip was talking about Mexico City. To start, I want to share with you different pictures about my trip. To start, uh, this is some pictures about Mexico. When I travel to my with my family, we visit a beautiful country as a Mexico. Here in this photo, you can see the center of Mexico that it's so beautiful. Uh, in another hand, we can see a beautiful museum, and this is a picture with this delicious food, Mexican food, and I had the opportunity to eat this delicious food as tacos, tortillas, and chilaquiles. Because this is the famous breakfast in the morning. In another way, you can see this picture. I took this picture in one of the pyramids of Teotihuacan that is so beautiful too. In another part, with my family, we enjoyed this beautiful activity as a balloon that you can see the pyramids of Tihuacan in the sky while you are uh, traveling in the balloon. In another way, in Toluca, that is a small city in the Mexico, you can see a beautiful cities and a beautiful places too, like a little ships, and you can see different decorations about these little ships as when any specific people celebrate his or her birthday, and you can see the different names of the people that celebrate. After that, we had the opportunity to visit and know Acapulco Beach, that it's so beautiful too, and the beaches were so beautiful and big, and the Mexican people it's so friendly and kind too. Um, in another way, you can see different places that in the center of Mexico too, that it's so beautiful too, and with different museums that you can visit in this place. This place was so beautiful and spectacular trip. Thanks for your attention.